How to add background in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how you can add background in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Adding background in Capcut will change the background of the photo or video you have selected. Now open your Capcut application and tap on New Project. Select a new video where your face is properly shown. Once you select your video, click on Add button. Once you are on this page, now select the video and from the toolbar search for the Remove Background option. Click on it. Again, here you will see three different options at the toolbar. Click on the auto removal option. Once you click on it, here you can see the background is removed from your video. Tap on tick mark option and here you can see the background is removed from your video. Now in order to add the background in the video, scroll until you see the background option at the toolbar. Once you find it, click on it. Again, here you will see three different options. You can change the color of the background or you can also add the image in the background. For example, I will show you guys how you can change the color of the background. Tap on color option and here you will see different options. You have different color options to choose from. You can select any one of them from your choice. And once you are okay with the background color, click on tick mark option. You have successfully added background in Capcut. So that's all. In this simple way you can add background in Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.